Okay, come to question number 9, which is based on a diagram, and you have to correctly give the option. From the option, you have to choose the correct labeling. Here, the identify the label A, B, C, and D in the following figure. So in this figure, A, B, C, and D has been given. So this is, as we know, this one is a virus, okay, and this virus is bacteriophage, okay. Bacteriophage, and this bacteriophage diagram has been given. This is truly that the geometric shape is there. This portion A, that is this is the head part. This bacteria is a tadpole-like structure. It has a head and tail portion. So this is head. B is the collar. C is sheath on this axis, and D, this tail fiber. These are the tail fiber. There are 6 numbers of tail fibers are there. Okay, so the option A is the correct answer. Head, B collar, C sheath, D tail fiber. Some more question from the biological classification based on the viroids, prion, and lichen. The question number 10, that viroid differs from viruses in being. What is this? This option 1, naked DNA molecule, option 2, naked RNA molecule, 3, proteinaceous particle, and 4, none of these. The viroids are the infectious RNA molecule. Their viroids are infectious RNA molecules of low molecular weight. Okay, so our option number 2 is correct. Next question is on lichen. Okay, the benefit given by algae in lichen is a symbiotic association between the algae and fungi. This is the lichens are the symbiotic association between algae and fungi. So here fungi, this is algae is algal part, it is called the phycobiont. And fungal partner, this is called the mycobiont. Biont means life. Okay, so phyco and mycobiont, and they carry out their own part in their association, and this is mutually benefited. So what this algal partner contribute to the lichen is food for fungi, and the shelter, mineral absorption and protection is provided by fungi. Fungi also absorb water from the environment, and they supply it to the algae also. So algal partner contribute by food preparation, that they prepare food by photosynthesis. Okay. Next question is Which of the following are the most suitable indicator of sulfur dioxide pollution? It is the lichen. Lichen is a very good environmental indicator, environmental health indicator, and lichen cannot grow in a polluted air where there is very high sulfur dioxide. So this is known as pollution indicator. Question number 13. Which of the following would appear as the pioneer organism on bare rock in the process of community formation? During the community formation in a place where there is no plant life is present, okay, no living organism is present, so that is the community development, okay. And when, if it is a bare rock, during in the bare rock no other organism can develop except the lichen. So lichens are called the pioneer species, okay, or the pioneer organism during the development of a plant community. Particularly the lichen grow fast on the rock, and after that gradually the liverwort and mosses, they start developing, then come the other. Question number 14. Here, identify the disease causing agent from the following features. There's some features, some characters has been written below, and from that you have to identify that what is that infectious agent, okay. One character is an abnormally folded infectious protein. This is a protein which has an abnormal folding, and this is infectious. This can move from one organism to another organism and can cause disease. It does not have any nucleic acid. It is only a protein. There is no nucleic acid, only protein. And third causes mad cow disease or BSE disease in cattle, also cause the CR-Jacob disease, CJD, in human beings. What is the organism? The options are virus, mycoplasma, viroids, or prion. It is the option 4 is the answer. It is the prion. Prion is the infectious protein molecule which cause the neurological disease in cattle and animals. Follow me for more videos.